Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. So Kiki London have something very excited that they have just launched, and it's the new Kiki London Colour Swatch file. I have never seen anything like this to purchase, so in this video I'm going to be unboxing it for you and talking through how to use it and what my thoughts are on something like this. And as I'm a brand ambassador for Kiki London, in the description box below you can find my affiliated link to their website along with my discount code for you to use as well. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So this is the box it came in. I did have a quick look inside, but that is all. I really like how the packaging looks, very professional, and then on the back of the packaging there is a little bit of information as well. So this is the file. It's going to house 120 swatches that display really nicely, and they pop out as well, so really handy to be able to try out the colours over your nails. So inside we have these sticks to apply the nail tips to, which we have a bag of tips. We also have a stand as well as the file itself. It all comes nicely packaged, and this is the first time I'm getting this out and seeing it for the first time with you. So I'll open everything up and we can then see everything much clearer. One thing I did note is how light the file is, so if you're mobile with doing nails, this is going to be so easy to carry about with you. I also did have a little trouble to start with opening it, but after a few times it definitely got much easier. So inside the file we have the numbers 1 to 120. They are slightly raised along with the pins for the sticks to attach to, and as I said, I've never seen anything like this on the market, so this is really exciting. So I'm going to get one of the sticks and see how easy it is to attach to the file. Now my nails are really long on me at the moment, and I did feel that they got in the way somewhat when putting them into place and removing the sticks. They do attach very easily though, and they also remove quite easily as well. Now with the stand you can place 10 nail tips onto this and cure at one time. I've never again seen anything like this. I have a few different stands for curing, but I do like the design of this. It's going to be very handy to cure more at once. The nail tips are of an almond shape, and again one thing I noticed was how shiny they are, so they're definitely going to need some buffing over, just with a buffing block, as gel polish doesn't like to stick to shiny surfaces. And each nail tip has 2 pins with slots in the stick and holder to hold them into place, and they do hold in place really nicely. Now to start with, I did put the nail tip on the stick the wrong way. It should be the other way around, as the picture on the box showed. I do sort that out later on. They do feel quite firm in place on the stick and the stand, but this does mean that you're going to be able to move the swatches around in the file really easily. So if you want them in colour order, that can be done. If you want to put them in collections, that also can be done. So I am going to leave as much of this video in real time as possible so you can see me sort of figuring out how it all works, but very easy to use. One thing that I absolutely love about this file is because of the world that we currently live in, where everything needs to be super sanitized. With this file you're going to be able to do just that, which I think is amazing. I do have the older versions of the nail chart book, and because of the material that it is made of, that isn't possible. Now I will be honest, this colour swatch file is a little bit on the pricey side, I feel. Pre-sale £29.99, and obviously that is UK pounds. After pre-sale £34.99, but I do think that it is absolutely worth it. My only thing also that I'm not keen on is the tips are white. I personally feel this can and does affect the swatch colours. I would prefer to have either natural or clear, but that is just my personal preference. But a full row of sticks looks really nice. It's going to look even better once all of them are filled in with colour. So off camera I did add all the nail tips to the sticks and add them to the file, so you can really see what this is going to look like. It's going to look absolutely amazing, filled with colour swatches, or you could even use them for displaying nail art choices or colour combos. So many different options to use with the colour swatch file. I did also end up having leftover nail tips and sticks, which is a big bonus, so I can make mistakes and not be too worried about that I won't have enough now. I already know that I'm going to need a second, as I have all of the Kiki London gel polishes, including their platinum gel polishes and their glitter no wipe top coats, and there is, including all of them, 136 colours to choose from. The files are really thin as well. I personally really like this file. I liked the older version, but this is an absolute game changer, especially when you can move the tips around and completely sanitize it. So again, off camera I've added 20 colours to the nail tips and then added them to the file, and I think they look absolutely fabulous. So I buffed over the nail tip with the Kiki London buffer, applied a base coat, 2 coats of colour and the top coat, and obviously I cured between each layer. It will take me time to fill up the file, and I'll be doing that over the coming week, but I'm so excited to see what it looks like completely filled. I have since recorded now have 50 swatches all finished, but make sure to check out my Instagram page, as that is where I'll add pictures and videos once it is completed. So what do you think of this colour swatch file from Kiki London? Is this something that you'll be purchasing? Let me know in the comments below what you think. I love to hear your feedback. I will have pictures and small video clips, and they'll be over on my Instagram page in the next few days. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my unboxing and review on the Kiki London Colour Swatch file. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.